The all too familiar sight of refugees landing on the shores of Europe. Aid agencies are struggling to cope with the arrivals, who are often left with no choice than to sleep outside. Design students in the UK believe they have a temporary solution. This Parker-style coat is in fact a wearable shelter. When laid flat, the origami-inspired design folds into a sleeping bag. Lightweight poles can be slotted into the frame to turn it into a tent, able to accommodate 1 adult and 2 children.
The brief that I set asked students to think about how a garment could convert into some kind of shelter for the approximate 3-week period that many refugees are spending getting from points of arrival within the EU to processing centres. So the idea was really to make sure the materials used were sustainable, were affordable, could make it very easy and very quick for us to mass produce the garment, which means we could distribute it quickly and through lots of different agencies.
The first thing we were thinking is that how can you have literally almost all of your house, like how can you wear your house and your personal items and personal belongings?
The wearable shelter is made from Tyvek, a material tough enough to withstand tearing but also breathable. It's lined with the insulating material mylar, which helps retain the body heat of the person inside. Internal waterproof pockets are large enough for personal items as well as clothing. This prototype design is still being perfected, but the team plan to field test the final version in early summer. They're now seeking funding on Kickstarter to help fund mass production of the garment. If successful, they hope to have the product ready for distribution to refugees before next winter.